Bitcoin hovers around 25,000. Long-term holders take the lead. Miners sell off as computing power declines. Miners hold up the market. Giant whale collective pull. Is Ethereum spring coming? The so-called myth of sudden wealth in the crypto space. It's all accidental. How do crypto-rich people get rich? Let me reveal the secret today. Building a Bitcoin city. El Salvador starts with students. Musk is more than just a real-life Iron Man. He is also the Iron Man of Dogecoin. Bitfinex investment profits exposed. Cryptocurrency exchange. Investment strategy revealed. Change the world with cryptocurrencies. Get our wealth password. Let's become rich together.
This is Media Blockchain. On Wednesday, September 6th, I'm Michael. Hello everyone. Let us take a look at some data. This is Bitcoin's output profit rate, called SLOV. This ratio is interesting. Is used to calculate long-term holders and short-term speculators. A balanced data. So we see, in the current market environment, Bitcoin has fallen nearly, round figure of $25,000, getting closer. So at this time, a phenomenon occurred. Is SLOV, and its ratio indicates number of long-term currency holders. It is a stage of explosive growth. Amount of coins hoarded over a long period of time. Also set a new high in history. At the same time, it also shows people who speculate in short-term activities in rapid decrease. Data display. There are approximately 20,000 Bitcoins at a loss was sent to the exchange. What does this mean? This shows that this state market leader be a long-term holder. What implications does this trend have for everyone? This means that the cryptocurrency market, in fact, it is not just a market that is quickly hyped for short-term profits. Only those willing to invest time and energy in it, friends with time, is the ultimate beneficiary. Who is at the top of this ecological chain? Miner. Well, with Bitcoin price approaching the integer mark of 25,000, everyone saw last week, Bitcoin computing power, finally it's down 5%. Imagine being in a racing market. The riders suddenly found 5% fewer cars competing. His win rate is 5% higher. Difficulty of the same Bitcoin network will also be downgraded, about 3.5%. Everyone can see. Current miner balance, that is about a reduction of 1,000 Bitcoins. Explain that there are some miners, I can't bear it so far. When currency prices fall, must sell Bitcoin to pay electricity bills. Fortunately, the balance of the miner is increased. This may offset selling pressure from miners. Changes in these data explain the miners who start the season now are adjusting their investment strategies. This is for new miners. Is a very good time. Unconsciously, Ethereum completes merge upgrade. It's been almost a year. So during this year, Ethereum under pause mechanism. It ran fairly smoothly. Pretty reliable. Almost nothing happened. Then after Ethereum completes the conversion, its annual inflation rate, it's to 0.26%. 660,000 new Ethereum are added every year. Bitcoin has an inflation rate of 1.76%, basically double the size of Ethereum. So if Ethereum is not converted to POS, if it is still under the power workload proof mechanism, then the annual inflation rate of Ethereum will be twice as high as Bitcoin, reaching about 316. So switch to POS. Deflation for Ethereum is a very big influence. In terms of supply, the rise in the future value of Ethereum is theoretically based. At the same time, you can see group of giant whales in the past 24 hours purchased 260,000 Ethereum, worth about $425 million. Is this proof? Ethereum spring coming soon. Okay, please press like. We'll sort out 24 hours news you must pay attention to right away. Recent market trends can be said to be very boring. Is it going up or down? Weekly level. I can't see the direction. In fact, many people who misunderstand it think, say, investing in the cryptocurrency market. It's a market for random money. Many people enter the currency circle. All heard of certain tokens. Some myths about skyrocketing wealth just came in, more or less speculative. For example, this carnival of animal coins. The Mafi various game tokens. Everyone thought they can take advantage in this chaotic market. But what is the result? Many people end up failing. As everyone knows, in the currency circle, the only way to make money 100%, just hoarding Bitcoin spot. especially at low prices, or Bitcoin computing power. The rest of the way, more or less risky. Don't forget a word, altcoins. They're all working for Bitcoin. Take a notebook and remember. But many people just don't believe that. I feel that in the market where altcoins are flying around, I just want to bet on 100 times coin. I can make back all my losses. It doesn't matter. Let's look at a set of data. Probably you will understand.
Cryptocurrency millionaires in 2023. And the elite group of billionaires, including Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao CZ, Coinbase Brian Armstrong, Ripple's Chris Larson, the Winklevoss twins from Gemini, venture capitalist Tim Draper, Galaxy's Michael Novogratz et al., Tenjia crypto entrepreneurs, famous investment consulting company, Henley Yu Partners reports, 88,200 today. Among cryptocurrency millionaires, 500 wealthy. All thanks to Bitcoin. At the same time, the data shows that there are 182 people become a millionaire through crypto investing. It is worth noting that the fortunes of 78 of these millionaires, only thanks to BTC. Also, about 6 people have become billionaires through BTC.
So you see, many people use altcoins to make big gains with little, or play with futures leverage. It doesn't matter if the multiple is small. Magnify your income. You need to know how to amplify your income at the same time. Risks will follow. Everyone read the data. Most millionaires, they all made fortunes by hoarding Bitcoins, or our old saying, long-term holding spare money investment. Don't bother. To that coin today, to this coin tomorrow, tossing more and more. Your coins are getting less and less. Why bother? Especially in a bear market. Grasp certainty. Write this sentence again. So our set of data, enough to inspire everyone. Stock up on Bitcoin mining machines. That's the last word. If you hoard coins for fear you won't be able to keep them. What is a mining machine? First investment, first coin. I'm in Korea now. South Korea is a country for cryptocurrencies. Very friendly country. At least South Koreans hold Bitcoin, and the probability of cryptostate is very high. About 70% of people all hold or are currently holding cryptocurrency, so everyone can see. Different countries' attitudes towards cryptocurrencies are completely different. Some are soldiers, some are fire. The United States is suppressing, go for legal supervision in various ways. But for countries with open finance, is to encourage innovation. Be innovative while being a little adventurous. Within the risk-controllable range, all countries are acceptable. But the degree of acceptance will be different. Those small countries are interested in cryptocurrency, is presented enthusiastic and completely open. Everyone looks at Camden and BT to cooperate to build a mine. Iceland begins to support the settlement of miners. Nigeria global Bitcoin, the most open country. The reason why such a situation is formed, hard to say. First Bitcoin, El Salvador's legal tender. For these small countries, even developed countries have set an example. Off to a good start.
September 7, 2021 at 2 p.m. El Salvador officially converts BTC as legal tender. The news can be said to have shocked the world. Build Bitcoin City. Issuing Bitcoin volcano bonds. Launching Bitcoin wallet and more. Even if you are, the International Monetary Fund will oppose. El Salvador is still, go your own way and let others have their say. This also proves that El Salvador, current President Nayib Bukele, embracing the firm belief in Bitcoin. Recent, El Salvador Ministry of Education, working with nonprofit organization Mi Primer Bitcoin MPB, plans to bring Bitcoin to education by 2024. Incorporated into the country's public school curriculum, Bitcoin lessons in El Salvador schools will primarily utilize MPB course content. Students will receive a diploma upon completion.
El Salvador Bitcoin education course. It's really shocking. I think Web3 Bitcoin, or digital assets, or personal sovereignty, really should start with dolls. I often say that the younger generation, especially after zero, do you still have room for class leaps? If you feel the space is tight, then it must Remind the young people around you. Must understand immutable distributed ledger. Learn about digital assets. Why is it you who took the class crossing one? Very fast ladder. At least young people must understand. For example, I am in Korea. Almost all young people in South Korea. We all know digital assets. How to confirm your rights. Let your wealth gain a stable appreciation. It is also your stepping through life state. A very important lever.
The Wall Street Journal revealed. Musk backs Dogecoin. It seems that Dogecoin is in the next wave of bull market. There will be stories. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex takes profit from long investing. Technical officer said. I just hoarded some bitcoins.
The Wall Street Journal revealed. Musk backs Dogecoin. It seems that Dogecoin is in the next wave of bull market. There will be stories. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex takes profit from long investing. Technical officer said. I just hoarded some bitcoins. Iron Man is reality. On Musk, there are too many legends. His PayPal, and SpaceX, even the fire of OpenAI Tesla. These are trillion market cap companies. The last bull market, Musk once carried a single Dogecoin. Let Dogecoin rise hundreds of times, plus the previous acquisition of Twitter. Such a legendary figure. If he writes an autobiography, will you understand his life? In a legendary writer called Walter Isaacson, with his efforts, a new book called Elon Musk. It will be launched next month. In addition to recording, in addition to Musk's anecdotes, big and small, Musk also recorded some actions in the crypto world. One of the insiders said, Musk has been funding Dogecoin. Could it be that Musk is legendary? There are assets of 1.5 billion Dogecoin. Is that true? This book is not on sale yet. The news has already spread.
Wall Street Journal recent. Be the first to reveal the content of Musk biography. It also talked about the secret behind Musk and Dogecoin. That is to say, Musk has always been funding the development of Dogecoin. Musk's younger brother, Kimball Musk, told Musk, if you create a new social media platform based on blockchain, should be very good. And Musk was interested in that. He also joked, maybe make one Dogecoin Doge payment system. The Wall Street Journal wrote, Dogecoin, the tongue-in-cheek cryptocurrency, its development has been funded by Musk.
The point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency, and that's why I think there's like an argument like fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome is the most what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency.
Right?
Wow.
No, absolutely. To the moon.
As a successful businessman in the industry and the world's richest man, Musk has done a lot of things that he never dared to think of. Musk loves Dogecoin. Everyone knows this. Dogecoin is the people's currency. This sentence was created by Musk, then hyped up, so for money's sake. What reason do we have not to hoard some Dogecoin? Of course now Dogecoin, it's just a meme coin. It doesn't have much empowerment. The dractanity we talked about before. Now look at, the heat is not that high. The ecology still needs to be built. If Musk really to develop the Dogecoin ecosystem, so the imagination space of Dogecoin, undoubtedly huge. Dogecoin price so far, about $0.063. The next round of bull market, how much can Dogecoin rise? We do not know. But now when prices are low, you can never go wrong with some Dogecoin. Take a guess. During a bear market, Bitcoin fell like this. Who will buy Bitcoin? Except for the giant whale. I tell everyone, choose this time to enter the market. Exchanges are where you buy Bitcoin. The data now shows top reasons exchanges buy Bitcoin, driven by market demand. It reduces transaction cost, improves the efficiency of asset allocation. Buying Bitcoin is the only way to go, and the least risky behavior. This trend may lead to fluctuations in currency prices, increased liquidity in the market, increased Bitcoin awareness. Today we take a look at Bitfinex. This is a very old, well-known exchange. Our weekly chart. Just look at the K-line chart of Bitfinex. Because of its K-line chart, the longest historical period. Well, recently sources said, on Bitfinex's financial statement, holding a lot of Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex. Revealed by sources. Bitcoin holdings on financial statements. And Bitfinex has been income part of transaction fees. Invest in Bitcoin. In this regard, CTO of Bitfinex. He is also the technical officer of Tether. Paulo Arduino says, Bitfinex is more than just investing in Bitcoin. And invest in the Bitcoin ecosystem. And Paul also pointed out, those from Bitcoin beneficiaries exchange. There should be policies like Bitfinex. Will part of the profits reinvest into Bitcoin?
In fact, to tell you the truth, I'm measuring this exchange. Is there any risk? I'll see him at the address. How much Bitcoin? This is the first number I have to look at. We can see this number. The relationship between Bitfinex and Bitcoin, or its degree of belief, its redemption ability is very strong. Among the top 3 exchanges, Binance offers Bitcoin share, overall less than 30%. But the third largest Bitfinex, 60% of reserves are Bitcoin. This shows from the side. Bitfinex, their payment ability is very strong. Take a look at Expressing Crypto Space.
Presented by DeFi Llama. RPC infrastructure Llama nodes announced. Its RPC service is now supported BNB chain BSC. Llama nodes provides a range of unique features. Includes a high degree of privacy protection, excellent RPC speed, cost savings, built-in MEV protection, and the ability to pay with cryptocurrencies. By the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and 247 Indian banking companies. National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI). We are hiring a blockchain technologist. Come to lead and research blockchain. Opportunities for application in current payment systems. Ethereum Layer 2 Network Linea. Express on social platforms. Important news will be released tomorrow. It is worth noting that the content of this tweet. Important message with Jinghao. And Jinghao tags not related to airdrops. Self-hosted crypto smart wallet Giddy. Expanding private key technology. Instant support for Ethereum mainnet. Following first on Polygon network. After launch, Giddy now supports a second chain. Founder of Tron, Justin Sun, member of Huobi Global Advisory Board, will be attending on September 5th, Korea Blockchain Week held by, and with Market Across Account Director Ronnie Levy, on the theme of Asia's rise, milestones and innovation. Have an in-depth conversation, and fee increase proposals. Proposal representation. Stargate already owns the Aptos Bridge. Become a gateway to Aptos, the largest cross-chain bridge. Therefore the proposal, the number of cross-chain block confirmations, down to 206.
So there is a simple way. Just follow our channel. Just turn on the notification. What are the benefits of turning on the little bell? Even if you don't watch the show, you glance at the title about the big events that happened that day. Is also a clear understanding. This is from perceptual cognition to rational cognition, a cumulative process, from quantitative to qualitative. Our channel sorted out means you must pay attention to. In crypto space every day, you can check all benefits here. Welcome to join our member exclusive group. Help us make it more professional. We will survive the bear market with you. Let's become rich together. See you tomorrow.